Today we are going to be making pho, and I've done it a few times. So we have oxtail and then some beef bones. I actually love this pho recipe because it's so easy. I just don't get to make it a lot. So we are going to be soaking these. Now I'm parboiling the oxtail and beef bones. I'm gonna add some vinegar, some salt. Look at all the gunk that came out. I'm gonna add filter water then. I'm also adding in some brisket. So I'm charring the onion and the ginger. I'm gonna put in my charred ginger, also my charred onion, and 1 piece of rock sugar. I'm gonna do meat stew for 30 minutes. Next, we will be roasting our pho spices. I got this online. Open it. It has fennel seeds, coriander seeds. Oh, I love coriander actually. Star anise, cinnamon, cloves, and this is just way easier. Obviously, you can get all these separately, but I was just too lazy. Oh, look at this broth. So let's take the onion out. So I'm gonna take out the brisket. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's like so tender. So we have our spices, our pho spices here. I'm going to tie it up, and then it will go in here. Some more water. Stew for another 30 minutes. So we have our oxtail here. We'll be refrigerating this. Wait, what?
It's not more. It's not more.
Cheers.
Oh. Dude, it tastes like nothing. It tastes good.
Dude, this is great.
Ah.
I can definitely finish this.
Oh.
Why would you just...
Oh, it's not dangerous. I can do it.
You can do it.
You should just exclusively drink this.
It
I think it gives you a shitty ass hangover though. Probably.
It's pretty
It's
sweet.
sugar.
Yeah.
It's probably pretty sweet. Or actually,
The
you probably...
hell? That's what it looks like?
Yeah.
Holy.
It's good.
It's very... Literally? Someone should just videotape this as me and Brian sitting at this
This
table.
is the exact same thing that happened last time.
What do you guys do for Jenny? What do they do for you?
Oh, that's a good question. Well, they
Oh god.
Yeah, you're fucking crazy.
This is sad.
Dude, we do a lot, man. We do a lot.
You guys send out a very strong vibe that your mom took care of you guys really well.
Dude, my mom.
oh my god, is that like a Chinese thing?
My mom fucking can. Dude, at home, literally, I go downstairs to eat, and then I just leave.
I know.
And she just handles it. She doesn't even ask me to do shit, ever. I'm just like, wow. I feel bad, honestly. I say thank you.
I started taking my dishes to the sink.
Saturdays.
Oh, I guess sushi.
Why? Yeah, but like.
But the quality is really good.
Every fucking day, man. Gotcha.
Wait.
Honestly, I
Maybe I
think
should
you
take
should take
half.
half. Yeah, I think you're gonna black.
Yeah.
Like,
Well,
seriously.
no, you should take.
Should I act like I'm all?
No, it's
Like-
like, fine. But I know how you work.
The night is young.
I know how. It's fucking 6:30.
Yeah, exactly.
Then again, she sleeps at 9, so. Cheers. Can't believe you chase with water, dude.
So in Vietnam, there are like no new cases, community spread cases. So I was like, maybe I should go. Like,
Dude, you could literally, like, you could work from anywhere, right?
Yeah.
Like, with your-
Exactly. Yeah.
Like, if JJ cut her hair short, I'd probably different her once.
Ew.
But the thing is, I know she would never actually do that.
Hi.
It's not high percentage.
Okay, and I'm like, sorry Asians, but I feel like most Asian men cannot grow a good stash.
That is true.
And like, then don't try. Like, it's okay. That's
You're
good.
sick.
Did you wear that to office?
I'm sorry, Mom. Except most of the conversation was like, yeah, dude, we ate this in Vietnam, remember? Like the egg.
Yeah, I remember.
How does it taste?
It's good.
I didn't eat it yet. I told you I was gonna
It's
lie
very
anyway.
clean.
Holy shit, so good.
Yeah.
It's more like flavorful than normal broth.
Oh yeah, it tastes a little bit different than normal.
Yeah.
In a good way.
But
Wow, this
like-
is actually really good.
So
But like at the restaurant, they use like the soup base. They use bones, but like a lot of it is like the soup base.
Makes sense.
Damn.
I think this is better than the pho in Vietnam.
Is it good?
No cookies?
Yeah.
But how come it says it's temporarily closed?
Me.
Oh, I did see that. I was like,
Should I open a
You
restaurant?
should open a restaurant. You should make delivery pho, dude. No, but actually, if you could make it like that jelly thing, you could deliver it, like, that's what it works. I don't think I want it.
There's a map.
I'm not gonna use it.
that's funny. I missed her out, dude. I want to smoke, but no
There's
light.
a map.
That's
Quality. Send me some quality.
quality
footage.
content.
Have you done this before? You have to snip this.
No, I
Where
know.
did
You
you
can
even get
smoke
that?
it.
Where did you even get that?
Really? Are
But
you?
we don't have a cigar cover.
Can you use a knife?
Don't.
Jesus! That is not a shot. That's like a shot and a half. Oh, before
Shot.
we just took a shot.
I'll take another one.
No, not that
I
one.
can't
Not
be drinking
shots of
after
that.
that.
fucking pussies. What the fuck?
Are we pussies or are we just smart? I don't know.
We'll drink 1.5 of your half.
Then I'll
Of
do
your one.
half a shot.
Yeah, drink half.
Yeah.
I mean, she's black already. She just took a fat one, dude. She's fucked.
We black.
Cheers.
Yo, ice cream is a great chase, by the way.
Oh, I bet. Wait, that's actually a really good idea.
Yeah.
Why don't you just drink it by
You just
yourself?
took a fat shot. That's why.
I'll do half this
I'm
and then
using,
half soju.
Are you sure?
That's way more than half.
Dude,
yeah.
you're gonna die.
Does that mean like you have to?
I was trying to protect you.
Chemical exfoliant.
That's not enough.
Physical exfoliant.
That'd be like, 3 weeks. Like, trying out 3 weeks of like Lululemon shorts or something like that.
Huh?
Only wearing Lululemon for 3 weeks. Something like that. You know? Or only wearing like
Okay, cheers.
being in my underwear for 3 weeks.
This is what Brian clicks on. Let's be real. That's what other people
That's
click on.
how people succeed, alright?
This is what going to happen.
This is wait, what?
She's dropping connector words.
This is what is going to happen.
Soon she's gonna be like, I need to go home, guys. I need to go.
Oh my god, this is like so comfortable.
Dude, I'm telling you. Dude, doing that shit is really tired for like an hour.
Okay, the thing about Beyonce is literally dance your ass off.
Yeah, it's tough.
Wait, I feel like I did this before.
Okay, you did this like 30 seconds ago.
Oh no. Okay, Jenny's out.